हेलो बच्चों, इन द चैप्टर लीनियर इक्वेशन टुडे आई एम डिस्कसिंग एक्सरसाइज 3.5. In this exercise the topic to cover is cross multiplication, solution of linear equation by cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. In this method, let us take the standard equations. Those are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, equation 1. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, equation 2. If equations given are not in this format, then you will convert in this format. Now for the sake of solution, you have to rewrite the coefficients. Coefficient means coefficient of x is a1, coefficient of y is b1, and c1 is the constant term. In the same equation 2, a2, b2 and c2, and you will start writing from middle term. Just I am marking, you can take the attention. You will write b1, then c1, again come starting point a1 in the beginning, then b1. It means you will start writing from b1 and you will rotate like this. You will start from b1, move ahead, b1, c1 come in the beginning, a2 and b1, a1 and b1. In the same manner here you will start from b2, then b2, c2, a2, again b2. This will be the writing patterns of the coefficient. Now what have to do with the coefficient? That is, you will write for the solution, you will write, this is actually for your convenience I am writing this, and you also write this for the sake of convenience, that's why you will not commit the mistake. You will have to do x upon y upon and 1 upon. In this way you write x upon some upon line should be quite large is equal to sign, then y upon is equal to sign, then 1 upon. Now what is to be done? You are having a pair of 2 like this. Pair of 2 means set of these and set of next and set of this. You are having pair of two objects numbers. First will be regarding x, second would be regarding y. I am writing for the separation, and this is for the last term 1. How to write here? In the upon of x, you will multiply these two like b1 c2, then minus is in the formula you can say, and multiply of this two b2 c1, b2 c1. In the same manner y upon, for y you are taking these four values, again c1 a2 and c minus c2 a1. Minus will remain in each term. If any of the value is negative, then you will put the value in bracket, but this minus will remain in the formula. And similarly 1 upon this will become a1 b2 minus a2 b1. You need not to learn this as a formula. You have to learn the system, how I am writing these values. Accordingly, you have to apply in your question. I am discussing one question here for the sake of understanding and application of this method. I am not saying it as a formula. Some of the students mug it again and again, you apply as it is, and certain mistakes happens there. Now you have to learn the system, how the system is being followed and you follow that. Take the example, this is a question of exercise. 2x plus y is equal to 5 and the next equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. Now these equations are not in this format. For the sake of matching the format, you must shift 5 to the left side. Then 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0 is your equation 1. Whatever the question, you just match from their book. Again it is 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Now equation matching with the format, rewrite the coefficient. In this, coefficient of y is 1, then you rewrite 1, then coefficient of a constant term, that is minus 5, 2 and again 1. I have started from here and taken one circle complete like this, 1, minus 5, 2 and 1. For the second equation, you also write the same thing. You start from the middle one, that is 2, then minus 8, then 3, again 2. The same is to be followed, x upon y upon 1 upon. You can insert a line for solution. Now in the upon of x, you have to take these 4 values, first 4 values you can say, multiplication of these two. Then you can multiply 8 1 ja 8, this will become minus 8. Now minus in the formula and multiplication of this will be minus 10, then minus 10 you will write in bracket. This is the specific thing I am telling you, importance of minus sign. This calculation is coming although negative, but you have to put in bracket. Don't skip any step, just follow the proper system. Then y upon next 2, multiplication of this 5 3 are 15, minus 15 minus formula, and 8 2 is 16, minus 16. Again 1 upon 2 to the 4 minus 3. Now what you have to do after writing this step, just simplify. This will become minus 8 plus 10, y upon minus 15 plus 16, 1 upon 1. One step more you write, this will be x upon 2, y upon 1, 1 upon 1. Now what you have to do, you have to compare. Comparison means first and last and second and last, or you can write taking first and last, first and last expression. You can also write terms or expression, whatever. Taking first and last, when you will, because these three are equal to each other, then any of the two you can take. For the sake of taking getting the value of x and y individually, numerical value, I am taking this and this. X upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 1, that is x upon 2, x is equal to 2. Simply cross multiply and you will get 2. Again taking second, taking last two terms. When you will take last two terms, this will become y upon 1 is equal to 1 upon 1, that is y is equal to 1. These are two values. Now we have discussed three methods. One was by substitution, other second was by elimination method, this is by cross multiplication method. Whatever the method you apply on any of the equation, you will get the values, same values, means the solution will remain the unique, it will not change whether you change the method. You can take an equation, simply this equation I have solved here by cross multiplication. You can solve this equation by substitution and elimination method, then obtain the value. This you can do for just for checking the method, correctness of the method, and you will get the same values each time for your satisfaction. And in the paper, if it is given is specifically given which method you apply, simply solve the given equation system of equation by cross multiplication method, then you will have to apply this method only. If you are doing the question by any other two previous methods, you will be awarded 0 mark. If it has been asked to simplify the equation by substitution method, then you will have to apply substitution method. I mean to say, whatever the direction is given in the question, you have to follow that. You cannot put your choice until it has not been on your part. Suppose the question is saying that obtain the solution or simplify or solve the given equation, and no specification has been given regarding the solution method, then you can adopt any method. Or condition is given, then you will apply the same method which has been stipulated. Then this is the homework of exercise 3.5 today. You will be having some questions, and all the questions will be solved in this manner, and some language questions. Then you will have to form the equation first, then simplify the questions. Thank you.